Good morning. Welcome to Streamline News. This is William Johnson with you at Streamline News. Presenting Streamline News today on 31st of March 2021. Our today's news is global rainforest destruction increased sharply in 2020. Well, the recent research has found destruction of pristine rainforest increased by 12% in 2020, despite global economic slowdown. Now let's illustrate the news. The country of Brazil, once again topped the list for annual primary forest loss, with 1.7 million hectares in 2020. However, more than 3 times the next highest county and a hike of 25% from 2019. A huge area of pristine rainforest at least the size of Netherlands was burned or hacked down last year. Well, as the destruction of our planet's significant forests accelerated despite a worldly economic slowdown, according to new researchers. However, for detailed information, let's watch this. The dangerous losses occurred in Brazil, 3 times higher than the next highest country, the Democratic Republic of Congo. According to a report published on Wednesday, from Global Forest Watch based on satellite data. You can share your feedback and comments on our channel. This is the Streamline News for today. Thank you for watching. I am William Johnson. Have a good day.